Shout out my motherfucking man Dad. LSD Studio, when you're high, me in the motherfucking building.
Wings. It's like what they want that finger do. You would go to paradise, hot water spider bag, chasing niggas to China white. I'm 19 and out of sight, C4 like dynamite. I don't rock that cheap shit, homie. I rock designer ice. I got them fiends all over the strip. Say they like the way the Yola be whipped. Drop them OUs in that kitchen, watch it rock up like a pecan, boy. Work my wrist in the same motion as a pecan swirl. Cleveland and when you're hacking or the bottom of the block, we posted up every day. Dust juice in the rock. R.I.P. my nigga Lonnie, blow some fruit to the sky. All the cars I copy body, blow the rules off the rides. Plus these bitches know I'm fresh to death, so tell these labels cut the check. Sign my contract, gold plaques, what I'm at the next. On my grind scratch, so like Kylie, we the best of best. Mixtape gold, shit, my album hit the treasure chest. I'm a H-U-S-T-L-E, I'm a track star, nigga, I'ma do me. From the M-U-S-C-L-E, I'm on the block every day. Bring your whole sleep. I'm a H-U-S-T-L-E, I'm a track star, nigga, I'ma do me. From the M-U-S-C-L-E, I'm on the block every day. Bring your whole sleep. I know them niggas with that haze, them niggas with that crack. My niggas on the block, every day we in the track, scrap. Marks, homie, I'm the word of the year. So call a stun and tell him get 100 birds in the air. Blowing banks, big woolly shit. 7 jeans, Timberlands. Y'all be on some other shit, but I be on some Philly shit. 100 rounds in the milli shit. In the D, I got it in 100 pounds of the sticky shit. Now I don't talk about my money, the proof here. Aston Martin DB9 in the roof glass. Niggas that was frontin' and behind us, we flew past. Recession, watch them drop cause they all used to stew bad. But you know what it is when I stew this. Whipping butter grams, I'm about my biz, I can move this. Young and selling Yola by the brick, getting to it. Tilting on that cig, I swear to God, don't make me shoot it. I'm a North Philly nigga.